How to log out of Coinbase app. So if you want to log out of Coinbase app, it's actually quite very simple to do so. Currently, if I go ahead and then open up my Coinbase app, you can currently see that I am logged into my account. So what if I want to log out? So to log out, you simply have to open the Coinbase app, tap on the multiple dots icon from the top left of the screen right here, and you will see this type of option right here. Now it's not under this page. What you have to do is simply go to this option that says profile and settings at the top and tap on your name. Once you've done that, simply scroll down to the bottom of the screen and you'll find one of the option in a red text that says sign out. So all you have to do is tap on the sign out button. It might ask you for a confirmation, do you want to sign out? So yes, tap on the sign out button to sign out successfully of your Coinbase account. This way you'll be able to sign out or log out of your Coinbase app. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.